How are clean rooms using automated intelligence right now?
So automated intelligence in clean rooms right now primarily is used based on predictive maintenance. By using accelerometers and sensors with temperature gauges, you're able to collect a data set that tells you when you either need to replace a piece of equipment, recalibrate a piece of equipment, or make an adjustment to the speed of a piece of equipment to confirm the equivalent performance in that clean room.
How do you see the industry using AI in clean rooms in the longer term?
Clean rooms in the long term are going to get more automated, more intelligent, and more energy efficient. And I think AI is going to do a lot to help that in the sense that the accuracy of the sensors, the particle counters, we'll have air velocity monitors. We'll be able to predict air currents through things like CFD. So you can use CFD. You'll be able to use the actual measurements of air velocity, temperature, and particle count, and velocity vectors, and use all of those pieces of data to then simulate through AI a better performing clean room. That could mean that only in certain zones you have certain clean room classifications. That could mean that it can reduce velocity and still maintain the same clean room classification overall. Uh, but it can also deal with temperature gradients and things that are going to allow that performance-based clean room to meet a specific goal.
How do you see AI in clean rooms getting implemented?
There's the challenge. I think that part of AI is not quite there yet. I see a really, really efficient system in my head, but I have to be honest, I'm not sure all of the technology is there. Uh, the sensors and the predictive analysis needs some work. The integration between CFD and AI is another piece that's going to need some additional work, but uh, it's very possible. And when it happens, again, it's going to be exciting. But there's a few hurdles to get past before the various platforms can talk to each other, one, and then uh, come up with really smart algorithms that for some clean rooms will be easy to implement, and then some other ones we're going to have to work with regulators to change the guidelines to allow for these, smarter, intelligent clean rooms.